Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. So in case you have a DualSense controller like mine, what you have to do is press the PlayStation button and create button simultaneously until the light starts throbbing like this, and then on your laptop open the menu that reveals itself once you click on the three icons on your status bar. Then enable your Bluetooth if you didn't haven't already, and then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth icon and find the DualSense controller on the list. Click on it, and this way you will connect it to your laptop. Now if you have an Xbox controller, what you have to do is press the Xbox logo, which is located right here, to enable it, and then just hold down the pair button, which is located in this spot. Just hold it down and you'll see the notification to connect in the top bottom right corner of the screen, and by clicking on it you will connect your Xbox controller to your laptop immediately. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.